Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Today is Tuesday, so Tuesday and every day, please share these videos. Do it like a warrior would. Today is Warrior Day, so be a warrior today. Fighting all the time? No, but being sure of what you're doing, just going boom, straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead. I'm going to read from this warrior book, Soul Sword. You can put on some red today. The superior warrior charges straight ahead, not because he is confident in what he knows, but because he is certain that he can rely on the guidance of the unknowable to bring him through. The warrior mind clings to nothing. The essence of the original mind is nothing. As hard as this concept may be to grasp with the intellect, just this reliance on no thing is the foundation of superior art. Be it the subtle moves of the warrior or the melodic gift of the musician. Using our warrior metaphor again, if you were suddenly attacked without warning, you must let nature take its course. Do not stop your mind by harboring fear about your response. Go freely with your inspiration, one move after another, until the threat is behind you. This is Mo Chi Chu. When we act from our original nature, the act can be said to be spiritual. It is not self-conscious. From the spiritual act, we come to appreciate the fundamental nature of life, that which lies beyond the ability of words to adequately capture. The shimmering sun, the whispering wind, a bird flying in the sky above is undisturbed by his reflection in the water below. A bird flying in the sky above is undisturbed by his reflection in the water below. The great sensei fills the universe. He teaches us through all things, but he communicates directly into the spirit of man. He does not teach the mind. The mind seeks to approximate the truth in words, but words are limited in their power to convey. The great sensei would have us become doers and conveyors of truth by our actions and bearing, not pundits who talk a good game. Peace is superior to war. Peace is superior to war. You cannot defend the peace if you have no peace to defend. Become peace. Become love. Do these two things well, and the warrior mind is established in you.